Hi everyone, Timotheus here. The year of the dragon has roared in, and with it comes a fresh wave of energy and opportunity. While I enjoyed some well-deserved rest and delicious delicious Chinese New Year snacks during the Chinese New Year break, it's time to shift gears and dive back into my online businesses. But let's be honest, transitioning back to work after any break can feel a little daunting. That post-holiday slump is real. But instead of letting it drag me down, I'm using this as a chance to reignite my passion and streamline my workflow. So, where do I start? Well, first things first, organization is key. I created a detailed content calendar to map out what I'll be creating for my websites and my YouTube channels. This includes both this channel and the Flowing Love Meditation channel. And speaking of YouTube, I have a treasure trove of video content waiting to be polished and unleashed upon the world. Expect to see some exciting new uploads hitting my channels soon, so stay tuned. But it's not just videos I'm focusing on. I'm also brimming with ideas for fresh blog posts that will inform, inspire, and empower all my readers and viewers. And to help me stay on top of content creation, I'm exploring the world of AI writing tools. Now I'm always looking for ways to expand my reach and experiment with new platforms. So keep an eye out for my content popping up on Rumble and Medium in the near future. But the real game changer for me this year is Wealthy Affiliate. Their new Hubs feature is a powerful tool for organizing content, collaborating with other entrepreneurs, and tracking progress. And on top of it, to top it off, they've integrated cutting-edge AI writing tools that can help me overcome writer's block and generate ideas faster. So if you're ready to ignite your own entrepreneurial fire this year of the dragon, then join me at Wealthy Affiliate. It's a vibrant community of passionate individuals who are all on a journey to succeed online. Click the link in the description below to start your free starter membership today and unlock a treasure trove of valuable resources that can help you turn your dreams into reality. Remember, friends, it's never too late to start chasing your goals. Let's make this year of the Wood Dragon our most prosperous yet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.